doing my friend's makeup. He looks so excited for it. We're going all out. Foundation and everything. First we prime the skin. Suspicious. He's just pretending he loves it low-key. Go off queen. Covering all the spots. Foundation. Blend. Blend.
Very nice.
Blend. We're doing a little contour. But we're gonna make it manly. Get off your phone. Spray. Spray on his phone again. Brows messy and snatched. He needs some freckles. Going for the e-boy look. Pay attention, dude. This is our inspiration. Smoky eye moment. OMG, it looks so good. I'm obsessed. Tada lipstick realness. Why does it look better on him than it does on me? Messy hair bad boy look. We're gonna need an outfit change. You're not ready. Not him feeling himself. Should we do part two with lashes and feminine makeup?